Welcome, guys, once again to Creative Entrepreneurship Channel, where we share information that revolves around how you can make money online. And if you're looking for information such like freelancing and business, then this is the right channel for you. All right, kindly go to our channel if you're yet to subscribe, and you're going to see Creative Entrepreneur. You click on the subscription button. All right, so let's head over to today's video. I'll be sharing with you how you can create a freelance account on the website I'm going to be sharing with you, and the website is called RWS. So you're going to kindly click RWS sign up because we want to sign up. So you head over to Work Zone application portal. So as you're watching this video, maybe you're in Africa, you're in Europe, you're in Asia, this is the same step you're going to follow if you want to create an account on RWS. All right, so let's just click on the Work Zone application portal. So as you can see, join our network of vendors. So what can you do on RWS? So how does it work? You can see, as an AI data specialist, you have the opportunity to work as an online rater, data collector, data annotator, search engine evaluator, ad evaluator, and so on. All right, so what are the basic things you are going to be doing on this RWS portal? So the first one is evaluating and providing feedback on search results and online ads. Also, you'll be performing data collection or generation of text, audio, images, or video data. So that's the second one you'll be performing. Also, you'll be performing data dialogue generation, including voice recording, recorded conversation with moderators. That's the third one. Then the fourth one is data annotation, such as labeling, tagging, to help AI understand the data on their platform. Then the last one is optical character recognition, support by typing the text you see in an image. So that is the basic thing you are going to do on RWS. So it's similar to most of the website I've also shared on my YouTube channel. So let's head over on how you can get started and you can get the job. All right, so you click on continue. So as soon as you click on continue, you're going to scroll over here. You're going to see how you can apply, but you're going to go to where you see, are you able to invoice for your work completed? Instead of saying yes, you are going to say no. So this is applicable to every country that RWS is situated in. So that means any country you are able to apply. Like in Nigeria, I'll show you how I've been able to apply in Nigeria and the response I receive from this company. All right, so you're going to include your prefix in the first title. There you just click over here and you can see any of the prefix that is applicable to you. You are going to kindly select them. Then your first name, you include your first name, your last name, your email address, your country of residence. So you can see, you look for your country of residence. So let me search Nigeria. So you can see Nigeria is included over here. So you're going to pick Nigeria. So depending on the country you are watching this video, and if it's applicable on the country tab here, you're going to include it. So you're going to include your contact number. So after that, if you have a Facebook, you are going to input the link. LinkedIn, if you have a LinkedIn account, you're going to include the link. Then Skype, you're going to include the link. So that is how you are going to do that. So the next one is your first language. Definitely, it's advisable for you to input English language. So that is what you're going to input. So you're going to input English language according to your country language. So you're going to input it, so you can see English Nigeria, so example. So that's what you're going to input. Then additional spoken language. So if you have any additional spoken language, just like as we are in Nigeria, the three major languages are Yoruba, Hausa, and Igbo. So if you have any of it, you can include it. All right. So the country of residence, you input your country of residence, your country of birth, your date of birth, and your address. Just the one in line one, you input it. Then your city, you input your city. Your city will be where you're currently situated. So that's what you're going to input in your city. Then your zip code, you're going to look for your state zip code and input it on the zip code. Then which country are you from? Just like I am in Nigeria, so you're going to input Nigeria. All right. So the states, what state are you situated in Nigeria or anywhere you're watching this video? Yeah, you input your state, province, or county. So after you are done with that, I've checked for the information to make sure that it's correct on this website over here. You're going to continue, click on continue. So that is how you're going to register. So after that, you're going to be asked like additional information, like signing a non-agreement disclosure. Then also you're going to be asked some few questions to be sure that you are the right person applying for the job. So that is basically what RWS is all about, and you can easily take advantage from this company. Presently they are recruiting, so you can take advantage and apply. So just follow the processes and you're going to receive an email. So let me go over to my email address and show you what I received from RWS. So let me type RWS. So you can see I received the first email. This is the first email. Thank you for signing up. Please verify your account. So I had to verify my account. So you click on verify account. So that's the first email you're going to receive. So you kindly verify your account. So the second email is it has that like you have received a new task on RWS Work Zone. So this is the second email. So I love that they have been responsive to the emails of what I was applying for. So the next email was, welcome to Train AI community. Thank you for finalizing your registration. You are now a member. So how to get tax. So our team will reach out to you via email as soon as your suitable tax are available. So you can see that it's responsive, and this is how you can easily take advantage of this company. All right. So the third one is you are invited to register on our supply portal. So I had to click on this link here and register. So then the last one was I was told to link my account with the bank. So this is it. So this is where I am right now. So kindly go over and follow the processes and register. So if you have any questions, any gray areas that you don't understand, kindly reach out to me through my comment section. I'll be there to answer your question. Thank you guys for staying true to the end. I hope you guys got value from this video. If you got value from this video, kindly click the like button so that most people can get this opportunity as they come in. So thank you for staying true to the end. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Goodbye.